Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn Analytics for B2B SEO content planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download LinkedIn Analytics for B2B SEO content planning, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn homepage. Click on Me in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. Once on your profile page, locate the Analytics section. Click on it to access your profile's insights. Look for the Content tab within the Analytics dashboard. Select this tab to see the performance metrics of your posts. Next, choose the specific time frame for which you want to view the analytics. You can customize this to daily, weekly, or monthly reports. Scroll down to explore key metrics like impressions, engagement rate, and clicks. To download the data, look for the Download or Export option, usually indicated by an icon or a button. Click this option to begin the download process. A prompt may appear, asking for your preferred file format. Select your desired format, typically CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection to start the download. Once complete, check your Downloads folder for the file. Open it to review the data. Analyze this information to identify trends and successful content types. Utilize these insights to inform your B2B SEO content planning strategy. Focus on the metrics that align with your marketing goals. Adjust your content strategies based on the insights gained. Regularly repeat this process to stay updated on your LinkedIn performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.